to have a chance to fight here in Croke Park, for me, it would be the icing on a cake.
I'm going to fold my fingers into my bicep to create a lock.
Okay.
Now, better tap.
Okay, Adam.
Squeeze.
Where can we find out more online, Adam?
We spotted the curlew, and the curlew is a massive decline at the moment, isn't it?
The curlew is top of the list. It is red listed.
Look, we know we're in a housing crisis and we do need housing, but we also have plenty of derelict housing and flats around here. The depot can still be built on, and we can redevelop this into something that's much greater for this community.
The common response from the best response from Black is to simply capture, and that's the top. That's the first
there we go.
move.
The leg at the back is straight, so we're coming down into a lunge. This is strong. We're going to take the arms up.
You work very closely with the local vet as well. Tell us what you do.
Yeah, so we have the vet up here on a regular basis, just kind of giving a check over there and making sure everybody's in good health.
This is Pride at heart, but matchmaking is bringing people together, and I think that's key about Pride. It brings people together no matter where they're from and who they are.
On 6:59, which is the automatic qualifier for the World Championships that's later on in March. And then just wrapped it up again the next week in Belgrade, just lit the track on fire.
Oh, you certainly did light it on fire.
Set, go!
Go! Let's go! Here we go, here we go!
Oh, he's flying. Let's see what the clock says.
9.91! I'm giving you a run for your money this weekend.